Assalamualaikum. This is Lalson Bacha. Currently, I am a third-year student studying computer science and engineering at Djibouti International University. I have completed my SSC from Shohid Academic School with GPA 5 and HSC from Bangladesh Navy College with GPA 5. Today, I would like to share a little about my skill experiences and why I would be a great fit for your organization. I am passionate about technology and learning. Over my studies, I have built a strong foundation in programming languages including C, C++, Java, Python, and even frameworks. I also enjoy working on web development and UI design, where I have developed a skill in creating user-friendly website and application. Recently, I am focusing on enhancing my abilities in data science, AI, and natural language processing. I aim to become a successful researcher in the tech field. I am actively learning a different research method and staying updated with new trends and techniques in AI and machine learning. My ultimate goal is to contribute to meaningful projects that make a difference in the industry. I have worked on various interesting projects. For example, I developed a tool management system using Python. Currently, I am also creating a student attendance website used for attendance tracking. I have always valued leadership and teamwork. In high school, I served as a leader in the Bangladesh Scouts. I also have a background in sports, where I led my cricket and football team to win school tournaments. My volunteer work has taught me how to communicate well, and I have been involved in organizing events like annual school ceremony. I believe my mix of technical skill, leadership experiences, and eagerness to learn makes me a strong candidate for any team. I am not only driven by achieving results but also by making a meaningful contribution. I look forward to bringing my skill and dedication to your organization and helping it grow. Thank you for watching and considering my profile. I look forward to the chance to work with you and make a positive impact. Thank you.